The topic of today's video is how to make a three-way call on Android. So let's go to our phone or call icon at the bottom left here, or wherever yours is. And then we want to just proceed like we're making a regular call. So search for whoever it is you want to call, hit dial. And now you want to click on more. And then you want to click on add call. So if this person picks up now, it'll put them on hold. They won't because that person's me. Anyway. So now you want to put in the number of the other person that you want to call. Now I'm not going to actually call another person now, but all you want to do is hit call on that, and when they pick up, so only when the other person picks up, there will be an option that will say merge on the top where it shows the people you are phoning. And that's all there is to it. Then you have set up a three-way call. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.